In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the white lines you see when you remove a background on Photoshop. So let's say we've got this image here and we press the remove background button. Now Photoshop is getting pretty good at doing this well, but it will still leave some white lines. So let's just wait a second for this to load. And boom, you can see it's done this. We can edit this later if we wanted to. So right now it looks really good. It's like, wow, the background's gone. But if we put a black background there, you can see that there is some like white lines here. So I'm going to teach you how to remove these very easily. What you want to do is you want to get the lasso tool up here and you want to select around an area that has it. So let's do this little area here. We want to come up to filter, go down to other and go down to minimize. Now what this is going to do is this is going to push the black up. So what we want to do here is fiddle with the radius, and every time we fiddle with it, you can see is the white there still. You can see it is, so we're going to turn it up a little bit. 1.7, still there a tiny bit. 2.3, still a tiny bit. 3.6 is very gone. Now you don't want to do it too much. I think 3.3 is fine, let's say that. It's okay, boom. So now you can see it's actually removed that. So what you want to do now, go around to any areas that have this whiteness. Say here for example. And then you can just go up to filter, and you don't even have to do that all again. You can just click this here and it will use your settings from before, and boom, you can see that it's actually done it right there. Now, this is a really useful tool for removing white lines and making backgrounds look more natural. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thanks for watching.